So in this video, I'll be showing you how to implement Getx into your Flutter project. So Getx is a very well known, and as you can see, it is one of the most liked Flutter package in the Flutter tab. So it is due to his flexibility and easy to implementation of the Getx. So it can do multiple things, which is state management, navigation management, and dependency management. In this video, we will be looking into the state management and the navigation management. So Getx is very fast, stable, extra light, and powerful Flutter framework, which helps you navigate to your screens and also the managing states. So it has very simple things. So mainly Getx have three types of let's start with implementation, then I will explain you how you can use Getx in different ways. Mostly everything is this in this documentation. If you read it all, you will be getting everything you want, right? So right now let's go with the simple one. Firstly, I will show you how to implement the metrics. So basically that's very simple. Copy this line and then go to your VS Code. Basically this is my VS Code. Go to your bookspec YAML, and in that you just have to add this Getx. Basically just line add this Getx. I already had that, so basically I don't have to get it, so you can just control save, so it will get the dependencies and it will be added into your database. Okay, yeah. Firstly, so how you can use Getx in your app. So this is a very common question, which is basically how we can implement that. So you can see the main purpose how I use Getx is for navigation and state management. So creating controllers. So basically what and Getx follows. So basically I will show you my exact project structure. Yeah. So this is so big project. This is a big project and it is very complicated project, so you don't have to worry about it. Basically what it does is the main structure of the folder required is MVC. In the previous video I have shown you what is MVC, and this is model, view, and controller. So as you can see, the structure we required is model, view, and controller. So controller we will use Getx. Model is simple dart code which creates a model. I think you might have knowledge about this. And view is our screens, right? Basically Flutter dart code and dart code, right? Okay, so basically this is going to be done with Getx. So we will use Getx controller. So now let's start with the navigation first. So usually whenever you want to navigate, whenever you I'll show you how to navigate. Okay, so if you hit the button navigation, how it is you have to get the context, you have to get the routings and everything. So this is the big command you have to run just to go to the next screen, right? So regardless of that, you can do a simple thing. As I will show you, let's create a new screen. Let's create a simple state widget. So I will create a new file. Firstly, I'll go to my new file, Getx test, right? Let's say Getx test.dart. I have my Getx test.dart. After that, I will just wait over here. Let's make a stateless widget. Okay. What is this way? Yeah, I don't want this. I just have to go up again, basically. Yeah. I don't know why, but it is not working as I expected it to be. Stateless widget. So basically we create a stateless widget, and let's say Getx test. Okay, so this is the Getx test. Then I will just create a column, right? And in that I will just create a children, and that I will just create a button. So I have my custom button ready. So in that I just have to on tap. Height would be, let's say, 58. Width would be 200. Text would be tap me, right? So it requires a value, and we have to remove the constant, right? So this is it. So let me just run this on the main file. So ignore this part. This is not for you guys, right? So this is just, I don't think it's not rendering. So now if you want to go to some other screen, what you can do basically, right? So you can just have to hit the get you have to get the dependency, get.dot, then you have to do to. So there are several types. So basically you can use to, you can use to and, you can use to name, and this is the like main few things you have to do. And if you want to see how them exactly works like, so you have to go to the package, go to a little bit down, and you can see everyone. So it is the to, which is the main one we are using, and this is the second one, to name. It is the Get.back, Get.off, Get.off all. So basically what this does, it directly navigates you to the next screen. It is going to navigate to the next screen with the name, routing basically. It just take you back, it takes you back. It does like, it goes to that, but it goes back first and then go to the screen. It goes back everything, and it is the only fresh screen on your screen basically. That's the name. Now Get.to, as you have to get to, and then you have to hit the page name. So basically, let's say I have a navigation, or let's say my screen is this screen, right? So I just end the screen, so every time I hit the press it will run. So now one thing which is remained, you have to go to your main screen basically, and you have to change your main material app into the get material app, because otherwise it will not work. Okay, always remember, you have to shift your material app into the get material app. So this is the navigation. You can use for back buttons, you can just simply do Get.back dot pop, simple, it's back, shift it to back. You can also do Get.off all, so it will just require a page, so you can just show it again, CSID creation, and it is done. Okay, so this is the navigation part. Now for the second part, which is the state management, so I will be covering that in later videos. So thank you, and I think the main would be, let's go again to this one. Always remember, in summary, which is like, just go to find get material app, add this first, then go to your files, and whenever you want to navigate, just go to this and just do whatever you want, right? To back. So it is very simple, right? Compared to that big of an essay, you can just simply do that, right? Okay, bye. In the next part, we will be showing you how to manage the state, and in the third part I will be showing you how to maintain the dependencies. Okay, so they are very easy to do, like we can explain in one videos. Okay, bye bye.